Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website. Today in this video I will show you how to access to your WordPress dashboard or how to connect to your website dashboard. It's very easy, just watch this video to the end. Before we start this video, I invite you to visit our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friend. Let's get started. Hello again. So to access to our WordPress dashboard, it's very easy. Just come here to your website domain or website link and add this WP admin. Enter. It will take you to this page, and now you have just to insert your username or email address and your password. For example, like this. Login. And like we see here, we have access to our WordPress dashboard or our website dashboard. Okay, now we can visit our site like this, and we can come back to our dashboard like this. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video and share it with your friend. See you next time.